How to create a post on Quora space. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a post on any Quora space you want. So first thing, go to Quora. Now this is the home page, this is the feed page as you can see right here. Now go to the spaces right here and choose the space that you want. For example, I'm gonna choose this one right here. It's about technology and ideas. Now all what you have to do is to add a new post. You have two options. The first one, you can just click here and now you can write any post right here and click submit, and you can also see the rules so your post be approved. And that's it. After you finish, just click submit. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.